there's no that. Ugh. The heck? For monthly and God. This back here is making me crazy. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Have the income. Carson, you can't. Payment and closing costs are two different things. Down payment. Have the income. And it's still there. It's still there. Are bank statement loans. Oh no, I forgot that. To get a home. What is planning and saving? I'm gonna throw this phone.